Hello everyone. In this video, Essay 1 Self-Assessment Term 1 Model Paper 2025-26 Class 8th Subject General Science Paper 1 PS Physical Science Question Paper and Answer discussed in the video. Like, share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Let's start the paper. Section 1 multiple choice question. Choose the correct answer and write in the bracket. Each question carries 1 marks. Question number 1. Friction due to fluid is called option force, pressure, gravity, drag. Which one is the correct answer? Option D. Drag is the correct answer of the first question. Question number 2. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Distilled water, B. Lemon juice, rubber, dry wood. Which one is the correct answer? Option B. Lemon juice. Question number 3. 1 kilogram weight is equal to 98 Newton, 9.8 Newton, 0.98 Newton, 0.098 Newton. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material means of electricity is called electrolysis, electroplating, purification, mining. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option B, electroplating is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following fuel is the best suited for use in home? Wood, CNG, LPG, kerosene. Right answer is the LPG is the correct answer. Next question number 6. What is the question number 6? The slow process of conservation of dead vegetation into a coal is called oxidation, carbonization, reduction, distillation. Which one is the right answer? Right answer carbonization. Option B is the right answer of the sixth question. Question number 7. If a force is applied on a moving object in the direction of motion, its speed increase, decrease, remains same, become zero. Answer A, increase. Next question number 8. Which of this is a exhaustible natural resource? Sunlight, air, coal, wind. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option C, coal is a exhaustible natural resource. Question number 9. Rolling friction is dash than sliding friction, more, less, equal, double. Answer is option B, less. Question number 10. During dry weather, clothes made by synthetic fibers often stick to the skin. Which force is responsible? Electrostatic force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force. Answer is the electrostatic force is the correct answer of the 10th question. This is the first 10 question belong to the multiple choice question. Every question has 4 options. Out of 1 option is the correct answer. And this PDF download to the Telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Telegram group and join the Telegram group and subscribe the channel. Question number 11. Imagine the friction suddenly vanish. How would life be affected? List such 2 situations. Question number 12. Pose any 2 questions to understand the concept of atmospheric pressure. Question number 13. Distinguish between contact force and non-contact forces with example. Question number 14th. Describe an activity to show that liquid exert pressure on the container's wall. Question number 15. Draw a simple circuit showing electroplanting, coating copper or iron key. Label the anode and cathode and electrolyte. Question number 16a. Give example to show that friction is both a friend and foe. Example. And the internal question, explain the different method used to reduce friction is machines and daily life. And the 17th one, explain the process of formation of petrol. And the right, what are the chemical effect of electric current. Describe an experiment to test the conductivity of liquid using magnetic compass or LED process. Now key of the question. First answer is a section A, multiple choice question answer. First is a drag, option D drag. Second B, lemon juice. Third one is a 9.8 Newton. Fourth, electroplanting. Question number 5, CNG. Question number 6, B, carbonization. Question number 7, increase. Question number 8, coal. Question number 9, less. And question number 10, electrostatic force. This is the all multiple section question. Next section, imagine that friction suddenly vanish. How would life be affected? We would sleep and fall while trying to walk. Second, vehicles could not be stopped once they start moving. Third, we could not hold anything in our hand like a pen or glass. Knots would not stay tied. Question number 12. Pose to question, understand atmospheric pressure. First point. Why don't we crush by weight of the atmosphere? Second question. Does atmospheric pressure decrease as we go higher? Contact force. A force acting between two objects, they are physically touching each other. Example, friction, muscular force. And the non-contact force, a force acting between object without any physical contact. Magnetic force, gravitational force. This is the question number 13th answer. Question number 14. Describe an activities to show liquid exert pressure on the container's wall. Procedure, take a plastic bottle. Second one, fix a small cylindrical glass tube near the bottom of the bottle. Third one, attach a rubber balloon to the open end of the glass tube. Fourth, pour water into the bottle. Observation, the rubber balloon blocked out. Conclusion, this so that liquid exerted pressure on the wall of the container. And the 15th question, simple circuit showing electroplanting container, a beaker with copper sulfate solution as electrolyte, anode, a copper plate connected to the positive terminal of the battery, cathode negative, an iron key connected to the negative terminal. Process, when current flow, copper dissolve from the plate, deposit on the iron. Section 4. Give examples so that the friction both a friend and foe. Walking, it enable us to walk without slipping. Grip, it help us hold object like pens and tools. Brakes, it help stopping moving vehicles. Writing, we can write on paper due to friction. What is a foe? Friction as a foe, wear and tear. It damages tires, shoes, soles and machine parts. Heat generation, it produce unwanted heat in engine, wasting energy. Efficiency, it reduce the speed and efficiency of machine. And explain the different method reduce friction. This is a key. First point is a lubrication, applying oil, grease or graphite powder between moving part reduces friction by forming a thin layer. Ball bearing, using ball bearing converts sliding friction into rolling friction, which is much less streamlining, giving special shapes like birds or fish to cars and aeroplanes. Reduce fuel frictions like drag. Polishing, making a rough surface smooth, reduce friction. And explain the formation of petroleum origin. Petroleum was formed from organism living in the sea. Burial. As this organism died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with the layer of sand and clay. Transformation over millions of years. Absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organism into petroleum and natural gas. Extraction, we drill well to exert this crude oil. And what are the chemical effect of electric current? Describe an experiment. Chemical effect, the passage of electric current through a conducting liquid cause chemical reaction. This is called the chemical effect of electric current. Experiment, material, battery, connecting wires, LED, lemon juice. Setups, connected the battery to the LED using wires. Leave two ends of the wires free. Process, dip the free ends of the wire into the lemon juice without touching it. Observation, the LED glow. And conclusion, this show that the lemon juice conducts electricity and chemical changes allow the current to pass. This is the most important paper for the exam. Thanks to watch. Like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you.